Many dentist friends send their x-rays to me and just ask that, will this RCT be successful? So just looking on the radiographs, it cannot be said that this RCT will be successful or not. Why so? Because on radiograph you can't see that how good was the sterilization, how good was the irrigation, there were symptoms pre-operative or post-operative was there or not. So you are the best judge. The clinician is the best judge to evaluate his case, not by sending, not anybody else. So today I am going to tell you two small experiment. By using them, you can evaluate your cases, and you yourself can say that this case will be successful or not. So success depend on many factors, like how good was the access, there was some missed canal or not, how good was the preparation, how good was the experiment, how good was the obturation, then lastly the post endo restoration was done properly or not. But out of all these, the most important is biomechanical preparation. So if you can evaluate your biomechanical preparation, then you can comment on the success of your root canal. So today's video is all about that, evaluating the biomechanical preparation. The first experiment is about the vital cases, or you can say irreversible pulpitis cases. So give local anesthetic, then do access opening, then prepare the canal to best of your ability and irrigate thoroughly, and then give a closed temporary dressing. Don't give intracanal medicament, that is calcium hydroxide, in the canals, and then schedule your patient after 3 to 7 days. So in scheduled appointment, just open the canal, don't give local anesthetic, and then you put your 20 number K file inside the canal and check for any pain. If there is some pain, that means the pulpal tissue is remaining there. That means the preparation was not up to the mark and you have to improve your preparation. If there is no pain, that indicate that you didn't leave any tissue there. But to be on safer side, don't over prepare your canals. If you do so, then the whole experiment will fail. So the second experiment is for the necrotic canals. In necrotic cases, do access opening, then prepare the canals well. But in this case, you can give calcium hydroxide intracanal medicament after thoroughly irrigating the canal. But what not to do is, don't prescribe any antibiotic in necrotic cases for this experiment. So schedule the patient after 3 to 7 days. If your BMP is not up to the mark, patient will automatically call you in next day or after 2-3 days and will complain of pain and swelling. But if patient don't do that, that means it's going in the right direction. And then on the scheduled appointment, just open the tooth and then check for any pain or any discharge in the canal. If canals are dry, there is no pain, there are no symptoms, that means you have done a good job in your preparation and your preparation is really good. But if there is any discharge, that means you have to improve your biomechanical preparation. It can be either width of the preparation or it can be length of the preparation, but you have to evaluate and improve in your preparation. So these are the two small experiments which make you more aware about your preparation, and you can comment on your cases that I have done justice with the preparation and the cases will be successful. So I hope this video will help you in evaluating your cases. Thank you.